Well, it looks like winter is finally here. You know, I think this might be my favorite season. It's just perfect weather for curling up inside by a fire with a nice mug of hot cocoa. Of course, most hot cocoa is full of sugar and high in calories, so I want to show you how to make a low-calorie version that has 0 sugar but is still super chocolatey and delicious. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. All right, so if I'm being totally honest, in my house, it's not a real fire. But you know what? Sometimes in life, just like in the kitchen, you just gotta work with what you got. Now, this hot cocoa recipe is so simple and easy to make. It's really chocolatey, it's really sweet, it's rich, and it's only 35 calories. And if you add the marshmallows, only 50. That's low calorie, just like I'm down low on the floor. In fact, I should get up because this is getting uncomfortable. So let's head to the kitchen and get cooking. Oh. Now this hot cocoa recipe is insanely quick, simple, and easy to make. You could do the whole thing on the stovetop, but I want to do it even faster because I'm lazy and I want it now. So we're going to mix everything in a blender. I've got my NutriBullet, and then we're going to heat it in the microwave. You don't have to do that, but that's how I want to do it. And I have a feeling some of you out there are kind of lazy too, or you just don't feel like going through the process of heating the stove. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this cocoa. The first thing we're gonna use is 1 cup of unsweetened cashew milk because it's only 25 calories per cup. This is probably the lowest calorie plant milk that I have found so far, and it's really thick too. This stuff makes for a really good base for a thick, creamy, rich cocoa. So we got the 1 cup of unsweetened cashew milk. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'm using Nestle Toll House cocoa, but you could use really any store. I've done it with this Aldi baking cocoa before. It tastes just as good. Just go with a cocoa powder that is 10 calories per tablespoon. So like I said, 1 tablespoon of the cocoa powder. Next, we're going to add 4 packets of Splenda or a generic sucralose sweetener. I've got the one from Walmart here. 4 packets of sucralose. And then to that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of a 0-calorie brown sugar substitute. I'm using Lakanto's monk fruit sweetener brown version. This stuff, I just think the brown sugar flavor helps to complement the cocoa even more and makes it just have a richer flavor, much more so than if I was just using a plain regular sweetener. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or in my case, I've got imitation vanilla flavor. Either one will work. There we go, 1/2 teaspoon of that. And lastly, just a little pinch of salt to help bring out the flavor of the cocoa. And that's everything. So let's go ahead and blend it up and then heat it up. So I've got my NutriBullet blender here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the blades on the cup and just put it on here really just for a moment, just enough to combine everything thoroughly, and that's it. Yeah, that's all. It's just a fast, easy way of mixing it. I tried doing it with a milk frother before and it just kind of made a mess, and I'm really bad at using a milk frother. So this is the easiest way for me. You do whatever you want. I like the way it comes out. I like the consistency. All right, well, this is basically ready. Now I just got to take the blades off. Don't microwave it with the blades on, please. We're going to pop this in the microwave. I'm going to do it for 2 minutes, stirring every 30 seconds. Okay, into the microwave we go. All right, and while that goes, I'm gonna prep some marshmallows. If you want marshmallows, you can use them. If not, it'll be a little lower calorie, but I'm going with Mallow Max. These are only 90 calories per bag, 15 calories for 2. So we've got 2 marshmallows. I keep an eye on the time here. I'll try to do all this at the same time. Let's see if I can. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stir this because we're coming up on the first 30 seconds. All right. You see how quickly this comes together though. All right, back in. Continue on. All right, continue cutting these marshmallows. Now I'll just cut all 4 of these pieces lengthwise. Boom. All right, now we've got our little bits of marshmallow we can put on top of the cocoa. How are we doing on time? All right, coming up on the next 30-second mark, so go ahead and stir this again. All right, and back in again for the next minute. While that heats, let me grab the mug that I'll be putting this in. All right. Honestly, a minute and a half is hot enough for me. Some people like it scalding. I'm gonna stop here, actually. I really don't want to burn my mouth. So I've done it for a minute and a half. You do it to whatever heat you like. All right, but that's basically it. The cocoa is ready. Let's go ahead and pour it in our mug. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that rich chocolatey goodness. That is ready to go. That is ready to drink right there like that. But like I said, if you want marshmallows, go ahead and add them. On its own, this right here is about 35 calories. Add these marshmallows, that brings it up to about 50. But come on, that's not bad at all. And there we go. That is it for this cocoa. Just mix the ingredients in a blender, 90 seconds in the microwave, boom. You've got a rich, chocolatey, hot cocoa that is perfect for a winter day like today. Oh man. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy that it's low calorie. I say that all the time, but it blows my mind how many things you can modify to be low calorie versions of the foods that we already love and maintain your weight or lose weight. This is certainly a treat because
Saturday is treat day.
Of course, today is Friday when I post the video. Friday is treat day. Well, I'm sure you will enjoy this delicious hot cocoa. Let me know what you think of it. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to The Cog Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. If you have any ideas or suggestions for recipes you might like to see me do, leave them in the comments below or just let me know what you thought of the video. All right, thank you all so much. Enjoy your cocoa and keep on eating and drinking. Oh my.